Welcome everybody. So today we'll be diving into the main project, like the fun of this safe stuff. So for long now, the past two classes will just be explaining in details so that everybody could actually get to understand better what website and what development is all about. So now I will dive into building a real project so you guys see actually how it works. So I wanted to start the project yesterday, but I couldn't. So today I'll start to finish it and as well host it as well. So today, first of all, I showed you guys this website that is this one here, though it doesn't have this picture, this image, I just added it. So I showed you guys this website yesterday where I was demonstrating the functionalities of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the website. So I showed you guys this website yesterday, also this church website as well. So now this is the HTML page. Like I told you guys, HTML is like everything that has to do with the text and everything. For example, let me show you do this one on the browser. And if I come here and preview, when I load this guy on the browser, see welcome, then you see my name, this one. I can come here now and add something like a paragraph. Then I'll just fill it with a dummy text using Laura. Now if I come here, you see the display of all the stuffs and all the same. So that's basically what HTML is. HTML uses HTML tags, which we also call HTML elements, to show how the element will be displayed based on the particular element. So this one that I use H1 is like a heading tag. So that's why it's bigger than this one. So this one is using H2. Then this one is paragraph. We also have tags for images and others. So another example for the HTML now is this church website. So when I come to this church website and I comment out the CSS and the JavaScript and come here and load. So this is basically the HTML. This is how it's looking. This is the HTML and everything about the website. The HTML brings out the text, the everything, the text, the inputs where user can input. There are tags for all these ones. The listening out, the heading tags, the paragraphs, this one that appear italic for all these ones are the HTML. Then this is what the Java CSS does now. Now if I put the CSS back and I come here refresh, you see it starts this loop automatically. So the same thing goes to this one now. If I come to this website, I remove this thing. So I come to this website and remove the CSS. And the JavaScript as well. And you will see something like this. So you can see it now. That beautiful website, look at how it's looking. So this is what HTML does. All these icons, lists, buttons, and everything is the HTML. Then CSS handles the styling, making it to look beautiful. So now if I activate the CSS here, if I put back the CSS, and I refresh here, you see it's having this look automatically. But then all these buttons that are taking some effect when I click on it, none of them is taking effect in the game. That is the work of JavaScript in this case. So for those ones to work, I have to come back here and I put back the JavaScript and I connect it, bringing it back. And now if I come here and refresh, now if I click on this button, something happens. Click on this one. Which to any of them that I click, something happens. So that is the work of JavaScript in this case. Also, if I resize this thing, this guy will be fit for small screens as well. So if I reduce my distance to a small screen, it will fit for small screen and you can see this interaction. This thing is also done with JavaScript. So this one is the JavaScript part as well. So though the style and the look is the CSS, but the appearing and disappearing is JavaScript. So this is basically how even all those big websites are actually being built. Just a bit more complex and to get it everything you need to do on your website. This is just it. very easy, and you just get everything started. So in the course we'll be going in details everything how to do all this. So I'll be I'll be posting the listing on how the course and everything will be going for the classes tonight or maybe tomorrow. So that's it. Now let's use this website. I'll show you how the post and everything is displayed. Let me actually show you the JavaScript so you see how JavaScript code looks. So you can see the JavaScript now. This is for the mobile navigation, the click and click. So here we're getting the event listener to know when a user clicks, then set this active, do this one. There's also other events here. All these ones are the JavaScript. You know, there's a lot of interactions. So you can use JavaScript even to write CSS. Just once you get the particular listing, this is the one fetching the date. So when I click, it's run this first one, hello JavaScript. This one runs again. Hello, current time is random number. This one picks the random number. Your screen width, this one set the screen width. This one appears automatically and this one as well. So stuffs like that. So all these ones are JavaScript from here to here. Come down, everything here is the JavaScript. So now on hosting the website. So to host the website, this is just a front end based website. So I'll be hosting it with my GitHub. So I'll go to GitHub. I'll be hosting this one. Yes, I think this one looks more better with these navigations and maybe the church website as well. So when I come to my GitHub now, I have to create a new repository. I'll come here and click on new. I'll come here and just call this intro to web address. And I'll come here for my description and write introduction to web development. Then I'll set it to public, add a readme file, and create repository. So if I'm a developer, most of the developer doesn't even know how to do this using GitHub. So then I'll come here, click on code, I'll copy this link. Now when I copy it, I'll use my normal address to put in this case in this way. I'll add in my folder, the folder I was opening. I'll add in this folder. I'll have the folder. So I think I'll just create new folder for each of them. So when I'll create a new folder inside this example for each of them. I'll call this one first the demo. The demo folder is the one we demonstrated the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript inside of it, which is now this one. This is one we'll be hosting that inside that demo folder. This is what we'll be putting there. So now I'll come inside the demo folder, open it in terminal. I'll come here and say git clone, and I'll paste in the link I copied from my GitHub. So now I have that guy inside here, and this is the readme file. Our readme file is empty, just this introduction to web development. So I'll go ahead inside this folder now. Inside this folder, I'll add this the demo.html. Uh, I'll add the demo.javascript and I'll add the demo.css. This one sounds up. Now inside this folder now. We now have these four files for this thing. So now I don't have to be typing the files again. Once I've added the files I need, I'll now upload them in my GitHub. So I'll say git add not okay. I need to actually set my direction inside this particular folder. It is intro to web development. I'll copy the name. Now come here. Mm, I'll see inside the file. Now I'm inside the file. I can now do it. So git commit my demo. I'm just say my demo website. And I say git push origin. So boom. And now if I come to my GitHub, so this is the normal how this thing is created. Now if I refresh, you can see it now those three files are now uploaded directly in our GitHub. Now for us to be able to view this thing live on our website, I have to go to so I'll go to settings and I'll go to I'll come to settings, I'll go to pages, set this, deploy from what is this thing refreshing that? Deploy from a branch. I'll set it to main and then save it. Now it's saved. I can now access this website online using the this thing. So now that I've saved it, if I have a custom domain that I want to use for it, then I can come here, put in the custom domain and use it before, but then I don't have. So this is it shows me link here for me to visit my website. So when I click on visit site, it loads it in a new document. So now after loading, look at what you are seeing here. So we are seeing what is inside the readme file instead of the main website. So that's because our website name is our website name here is demo.html, which will not load by default. So for you to actually load this guy, you have to reset the name of this guy to index.html for it to be able to load it. So I'll come back here in my code and correct it, then I will upload it again. So I'll just come back here And when I refresh, now you see this guy has index dot becomes index.html, and this is the text change demo to index.html. So now I believe when I come and refresh, it should load the HTML page. I no longer didn't. Now you can see guys, it's loaded the HTML page. So now this website is now live and you can view it from anywhere using this link. So I will sending this link in our after now. So now let's go and host the remaining one. So I'll come back here inside this demo. That is where I'll be hosting everything. So I'll still clone the other one inside the demo as well. So I'll come back online here and create a new repository. I'll come here, go to let me just go back here. So this is my mouse. So I'll come to the repositories. I click on new. I will name this one church. I name this one church website. So this is uh this is pastor. This is pastor David church website. So set it to public, go down, add the register, and then I create my repository. Just the same as we did it before, but let me do it again for clarity this time around. So many people, if you are a developer, actually I didn't just know this when I started working in development. I knew this after I've already finished with Flutter development. So when I was finding it difficult to use my contact, so I had to set and I found this. So it's really, really useful for you to do your code. So I'll come here, copy this thing again, I'll come back here. So I have to actually go back to the demo this thing. I have to again with terminal. Now I've opened it with terminal. I come here and say git clone and paste this thing address from this thing and it's cloning. Now inside here we have the church website. This is the first one we did, so I'll close it up. And this is now the second one, which is the church website. So inside the church website now, we'll now push church website materials inside of it. So I open this one, this is CSS, this is the HTML, the loan, and this is the HTML with the CSS and everything linked. So this is the one I'll be using. I'll just push only this particular file because it has the HTML and CSS link. Not only it, sorry, I'll push the HTML and CSS, but this one will be this thing. So I'll carry this one, move it here, carry this one as well, move it here, carry this one, move it here. But I have to change this one index.html. So we want to encounter that one, we encounter on the other one. So I change this to index.html. So now this is it. I'll comment the JavaScript, so everything will be working. So that's it guys. You now have to upload it. So to actually push it, I have to go inside the folder. So I'll do cd church website. Now I'm inside the folder. So we git commit to Pastor David Church website. That's it, guys. It's done. So I'll say git push origin of name. Git push origin. And that's it. It's done. And if I come here now and refresh this guy, now you can see all these stuff are now here already. So to also do this one, to get it hosted as well, I'll go to settings, go down to pages, I'll go down to pages, deploy from main branch, deploy from branch, I'll set it like this, set this one to main and save it. That's just it. And now once I save it, is it saved? Yeah, I think it's saved. So let's check it out. I'll come here and instead of typing this, I'll now check church website. Network is there. So for next time, name, wait, see, that is not showing. Okay, let's check it out. I'll refresh this page first. Let me be sure it's saved. It's meant to actually show the link to this. It's saved now, guys. Maybe I actually need to refresh. Let me just do it from here. Services side. Now we have that website here, the church website. So you can now view this website with your mobile phone or anything from anywhere using the link. So I'll be sending the link for the two pages in our group so you guys can visit it and see. So